Hey guys, in today's video I want to show you how to use the sum function in Excel. We've already prepared some example sheet. Let's assume we want to calculate the sum of working hours on the different days, even if it doesn't really make sense. As you can see, we have a row with days at the top, and on the left we have a column with the different weeks for this example. So if you want to calculate the sum of each day now, you simply have to click in the cell that you want to have the sum in. Then you will find on the Index tab home, on the right upper corner, an option called AutoSum. We click on that, and as you can see, it inserts automatically a formula into the cell you selected. Here you can either drag the grid around the cells you want to sum up, or you can type it manually, which cells you want to add up. There are always two values. The first one is the beginning cell, and the last one is the ending cell from the cells you want to build the sum from. After the values are right, confirm it with pressing Enter. After you did the first sum correctly, you can simply pull the cell on the right lower corner and drag the formula to the other cells further, as you need it. We hope this was helpful and easy to understand. Otherwise, leave a comment and we will record this again. And don't forget to subscribe and leave a like to get more helpful content in the future. Thanks for watching. Bye.